cabin lights will be dim. Reading lights are found in your service panel.
Our fights, slow jams, all up in the room, whispering sweet nothings. Baby, just me and you, melodies in the air, dancing to the beat.
All over the world po, you can only see them in the province of Palawan. Endemic species po to, kaya lang critically endangered na sila because of hunting and destruction of habitat. Yung color blue, yan po yung male or lalaki, that's the peacock. Yung mga brown naman ay female or babae, sila naman po yung peahen.
Feeling the rhythm, making the night complete. You're my muse, my inspiration, my sweetest melody. Every word I sing, baby, it's all for you. Can't you see? Your body moves like a sin.
So yan po yung fastest way na share natin on how they create fire, especially ho back in the mountain. Okay, so we have a bigger smoke. In a few seconds, we have a fire. Actually po, the children like nasa 5 to 6 year old and above, start na rin po nilang tinitrain kung paano gumawa ng apoy. Man ating sahing man, duwa man, di mo sambat, nakasambat man, sukulim nyo. So this one po called sahing or salong. So one pot of this, it can last 3 to 5 nights. It just depends on how they use it.
Taking me on a ride in this R&B groove. We can late night vibe.
Hi guys! We're on our way to Honda Bay Island. Fresh na buko. Super fresh na buko. Parang akong island girl. Sabi ko, ha? Di ba ito? Sabi ko, oo, te, bakit? Ako na may portion pa. Huwag mo na isipin yan, te, nagbabakasyon nga tayo. Tara magkaya, challenge wala mahuhulog.
Meron pa naman siya matitira. Ang matitira doon, pambayad ko doon sa utang ko kay Pete.
charge. Malamang battery. Oo nga. Tapos sabi, pagod na siya. Wow! Hindi ko kaya. Wala akong nakita.
Ano kasi naka-privacy.
Wow! Privacy. LQ mo. LQ mo to. LQ mo. Wala, gusto subok niyo.
Bye everyone!
Ano ba yun?
Ayan pala yun.
Ito pala yung success.
Record.
Subo mo to. Kadugyot ay.